carried by Combined Public Communications.
Three-way or call waiting is not allowed and may automatically disconnect call. This call is subject to monitoring and recording. If you are an attorney or designated legal counsel, con 393 if you consent to this.
Hey, what's going on? Huh?
Sitting in jail.
Sitting in jail? How'd today go?
Yeah. It's been fine.
Oh, so, did you have any money, has any money been, added to your books? Did you
It's just
check?
been added to the
Huh?
It's like they've been like $40 added to the phone.
To your phone?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Did you see, I scheduled a video visit for Sunday.
Yes.
I tried to do Saturday, but it said it wouldn't let me schedule it because it said I've already done 2 visits, which I haven't. I scheduled one that you didn't know about, and
Yeah.
so anyway, did you hear about Laura?
No.
She got arrested.
Where'd she get arrested at?
I don't know where she got arrested at. I'm trying to still figure that out. I mean, Hawkins County. She's in Hawkins County.
She's down here in Hawkins County?
Yeah. You didn't know that? I messaged you. I sent you an email to tell you.
I just found that out.
Oh. She had it looks like she had a possession and a possession charge and a paraphernalia charge.
For what?
Meth, I guess.
Well,
Yeah, I don't know why you would think that she would have known that they would be watching her, you know?
well, I don't know why would she even...
Why she what?
Why she would even have anything.
Why she would even have anything on her? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see why she would have.
Man, your guys' phone system sucks. It cuts in and out.
I know, it's aggravating.
Yeah, I don't know. I talked to Laura 3 hours before she was arrested.
When did she get arrested, you know?
Yeah, she got arrested at like 12:30 in the morning today. So, yeah. Late last night, early this morning at 12:30. So, hey, did you have court this morning?
No, I don't have court till 31st.
Hey, it's listed here on it said that you had court this morning.
No.
It said
I ain't got court.
It said 6/23/23 at 9 a.m. Yeah, I just noticed this like today, and I was like, oh my god, or I saw it late last night, and I was like, oh my god, he has court this morning. What was that?
October the 31st.
Yeah, I don't even see that court date anymore.
Well, hell, I don't know. They may come in. Somebody may.
Hey, who did you talk to? Huh?
They may somebody mention. We'll see. When
I was trying to Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to hear you. It sucks. It's like.
Yeah, it's straightened up there. It's got a loose connection in the wire or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So
It sounds better.
a little bit. What'd you say? Maybe they what?
When we got off the phone or the interview yesterday,
Yeah.
they cut me up and was questioning me about something again.
They did again.
Yeah, I got the lie detector test and all that.
They gave you a lie detector test.
I think they may have found it though.
You think they may have found her?
Because he went straight up to answer me. When I asked him if she was in the cave.
In the cave? You think is that where you were thinking she was?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were saying she was off like a cliff.
She is underwater.
Underwater? So when did you learn this? Through what?
The person was just telling me.
So you heard this? I mean, who did you speak? It sucks. Is there another phone there you can call me on? Or is it just one phone?
There's that thing about it.
They're all used?
Yeah.
Hey, who did you talk to? Did you talk to TBI or Hawkins County?
I talked to Hawkins County, I think.
You think it was Hawkins County?
Yes.
Who was it that questioned you?
It was Lieutenant. I don't know.
Pruitt or not?
I don't know which one it was.
So you think that they may have found her, really?
Because they wouldn't answer me. They would just say that they found the cave.
They found the cave?
Yeah.
So, okay, once again...
When I asked if they found the cave.
Yeah?
They found the cave.
So when you asked if they found Summer, they wouldn't answer you?
No. They avoided.
They avoided the question?
Yes, so it makes me think that they did. And then that's when the lie detector
they gave you a lie detector test? Did you pass?
Oh, they're wanting to give me a lie detector.
Oh, are you going to take it?
I'm not yet.
So are you going to?
Yes, I told them I'd cooperate.
You said yes? Okay, awesome. So, okay, when did you find...
That's what makes me think of them.
That's what makes you think they found her?
Yes. To clear me from it.
Oh, to clear you? Wow. So can you tell me, when did you find out, or have you known this information for a long time and just kept it to yourself?
Well, no, I've not.
Huh?
I've not known it that long.
You haven't known it that long?
No.
Okay.
This man just got out of jail now.
He just got out of jail?
Yeah, and he took up and had told me a few things.
Before he passed away?
Well, they found him dead in the cave.
So you've known since at least February then, right?
Yeah. But this man that you just take to the ground of fire. Because he's actually
He's what?
he acts crazy half the time.
He acted crazy half the time. And he talked to you specifically about Summer?
Yes.
Are they gonna, so what?
And the only one I talked to was you, and I'll get.
So,
I wasn't putting nothing out there on the internet until we find out for sure.
okay. Oh, well, shit. Okay, so,
I just figured they had done something to kind of get me delighted with it today.
yeah, well, that's cool. I'm glad that maybe they can, officially clear you then to the public.
But they know that I've not got nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
But they just want to make it feel good.
Are they thinking more than that it's several people involved? Huh?
Yes.
Can you say what Roy told you? Or are you not allowed?
Right. I'm not allowed to, really.
Okay, yeah, don't get in trouble then. Maybe you can tell me down the road. Wait.
Yeah.
All right. It's really.
But in the beginning, just hold your head up, and you'll come clean and all. It's going to look like crazy.
I can't understand you at all. Unfortunately, the phone is so messed up.
Let me go to another line.
Okay. Hold on.